In this video, we explore some answers to this question: can a beginner learn digital marketing? Make sure you listen to the next few minutes of this video very carefully because I am going to reveal some tips and strategies for beginners to learn digital marketing. So, I suggest that you avoid all distractions and pay attention to the things that I am going to share with you. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any new videos. Please make sure you give the video a like because that tells me you find these videos useful. Thank you, so let's get into it. So let me start by telling you that digital marketing is a method of advertising a company's goods or services online through apps, sites, social media and search engines. This form of marketing focuses on reaching consumers through their phone, laptop or any other smart device. Digital marketing is an ever-evolving field. Billions of people actively use the internet, and because of that, marketing has shifted from traditional commercial ads, billboards and paper ads to web-based approaches. If you're just starting out in the field of digital marketing, the landscape could feel overwhelming. If you want to pursue this career, you need to first hone in on your interests and strengths. From there, you can start to build a career. I will now give you some tips and strategies to help you learn digital marketing as a beginner. Here we go. So the first strategy is to maximize your strengths. If you've always been drawn to numbers and math, then you're going to kill it when you start learning about data analysis and optimizing ad campaigns. If you're more on the creative side, you'll probably love writing blog posts. There are plenty of areas where you can excel in digital marketing. When you're just starting out, I suggest that you choose one or two niche areas where you think you'll really thrive. Work on those areas where you can get some quick wins. Here is the next tip: get on-the-job experience. Once you've decided on an initial focus area, put yourself out there. Apply to freelance opportunities or part-time jobs. You can even reach out to local businesses in fields you're interested in and offer your services. Maybe your favourite coffee shop is looking for someone to manage their Instagram account, or a family law practice wants to improve their search rankings on Google. It's your job to find those opportunities and market yourself. Let me give you some tips for working as a freelancer. Here we go. Start looking for clients by using freelance platforms. Freelancing platforms are always marketed as magical places for new freelancers to go when they're trying to figure out how to find freelancing jobs. Freelancing platforms can be a great place to go to find work, especially when you're brand new. But freelancing platforms can also be where cheap companies go to exploit the time and talent of inexperienced freelancers. But don't let these warnings dissuade you from giving freelancer platforms a try. Just remember to do your homework on pricing and project scope so you don't get ripped off. Be firm with boundaries and trust your intuition. Many successful freelancers cut their teeth on freelancer platforms, so why can't you? Build confidence with potential freelance clients by creating a portfolio. If you're a new freelancer, clients are going to want to see what you bring to the table before they decide to take a chance on you. Many freelancers get overwhelmed by this step. They feel that right from the start they need to have a world-class website full of award-winning work to show to prospective clients. Clients just need to do their due diligence to confirm that you can do the job they're hiring you to do. In the beginning, this can mean nothing more than a simple Google Drive folder. Just make sure it's well organized and neatly formatted. There will be plenty of time to create that world-class website on Wix, WordPress or Squarespace down the road. By this time, you'll have enough cash flow so you can hire someone to build a state-of-the-art portfolio website just for you. Prove what you can do with spec projects. Another tip on showcasing your work as a first-time freelancer. No one said it has to be a real paid project. New creatives hoping to land their big break, working at a fancy ad agency, have long made spec ad campaigns or speculative ad campaigns where they conjure up imaginary brief for a project to showcase the skills no one has paid them for yet. There's nothing to stop you from doing the same. Just be sure to be upfront with the client by letting them know This is some spec work that I created to give you a better idea of what I can do. Here is the next strategy. Learn as much as you can. Now that you've got your foot in the door, you can start pursuing formal education or teaching yourself about the areas where you're less knowledgeable. Let me now tell you some different ways to learn digital marketing. Start your own blog. One of the best ways to get in-depth knowledge about digital marketing is by starting your own blog and learning from your own experience. When you start your blog, you'll learn things like SEO, social media marketing, WordPress, and many other digital marketing aspects. When you start your own blog, you'll get hands-on experience in various aspects of digital marketing. Initially, things will be difficult, but as you put in your efforts and hard work, you'll enjoy the process. Read digital marketing blogs. Hands down, one of the best ways to learn digital marketing free is to read blogs on the internet. Reading blogs will not only help you in learning digital marketing, but it will also keep you updated on the latest happenings in the world of online marketing. Several digital marketing blogs are floating on the internet, however, you don't need to read all of them. If at any point you want to advance your online marketing skills with step-by-step online training with experts to learn and understand internet marketing, I recommend you click the link under the video now and check out the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the marketing skills, training and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. Trust me, it will change your online marketing life like nothing else. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description box under the video now and take a look at it. So let's now get back to those tips. Here we go. Let me tell you about 5 of the best digital marketing blogs that you can read to learn more about digital marketing and stay updated about recent trends. Here we go. Number 1, Marketo. Marketo is an American SaaS software as a solution company owned by Adobe that produces marketing automation software. The company focuses on marketing technology to automate tasks and gauge marketing engagement. The digital marketing blog by Marketo has over 1 million visitors per month. You will find answers to most of your how-to questions in the digital marketing field. You can also read informative digital marketing blogs for beginners on the website on topics like digital marketing strategies, how to use your website for digital marketing, and improving conversion rates. Number 2, Social Samosa. Social Samosa is one of the best social media content portals. It researches and gathers thoughts and ideas about the digital marketing trends on social media to encourage dialogue on the same. Social Samosa has a popular blog that provides a list of social media accounts to follow in different categories and suggests how people can carve out their niche in digital marketing. It is your go-to website if you want to stay updated with the trending social media campaigns. You can also read case studies or in-depth analysis of different marketing strategies. Number 3, Neil Patel blog. Neil Patel is a popular name in the marketing industry. He has been acknowledged as one of Forbes' top 10 online marketers. Through his digital marketing agency, MP Digital, he offers innovative marketing ideas to help businesses and large companies grow and generate more revenues. The Neil Patel blog provides valuable content to businesses, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and other people interested in digital marketing. His blog gets over 10 million visitors per month. If you are looking for ideas to enhance your content marketing strategy, ways to increase traffic to a website, or marketing analytics, you must check out his blog. Number 4, HubSpot blog. HubSpot is another American SaaS company that offers technology solutions in digital marketing. The company also has an active blog with over 7 million monthly views. The posts contain extensive information on marketing, branding, content planning, website designing, social media, email marketing, virtual reality, social media tools, consumer behavior, and more. Number 5, Moz blog. Moz is a company that offers website analytics and SEO services to its clients. So if you're interested in learning about SEO in depth, you can follow the Moz blog. Some popular topics to read include how to improve your ranking by rewriting titles, why to re-optimize content, and what should be the SEO strategy for a new website. Moz is your go-to digital marketing blog to learn all about SEO. Apart from this, reading blogs would also enhance your vocabulary, especially if you are from a non-native English-speaking country. Let me tell you some of the benefits of digital marketing. The field of digital marketing has expanded fast over the last decade, and for good reason. Companies across the globe are interested in finding the people who need their product. Digital marketing allows them to find those customers, target them, and tailor a brand around their needs. Good digital marketing campaigns allow companies to discover new customers, reduce the cost of attracting clients, keep their existing customers happy, and improve their branding. Clearly, if you pursue a career as a digital marketer, you'll be in a position to make a lasting impact on an organization's sales and overall financial health. Let me now tell you about some of the types of digital marketing. Now that you have a basic understanding of digital marketing, it's time to dive a little deeper into the specifics. There are many areas of focus when it comes to digital marketing, and each niche can be used for different purposes. If you're looking to start a career in digital marketing, it's important to have an understanding of all of these areas, although you can also make a career out of specializing in one specific realm. Search engine optimization, SEO. It's important that your website appears as high as possible in search engine rankings in Google, so that visitors searching for specific keywords related to your site will find you. SEO can be used for more than just general web searches. It can also be used to rank images, videos, books, shopping, news, and more. Search engine optimization includes the use of keywords and key phrases, image optimization, outbound and inbound links, and visitor engagement, among other practices. The strategies of SEO keep changing, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest practices. Some factors that can play a part in the evolution of SEO practices are a change in search engine algorithms, a change in consumer behavior, and an increase in competition. The factors used to rank sites are a closely guarded secret. Search engines like Google never reveal exactly how their algorithm works to avoid manipulation and unfair practices. Instead, digital marketers should focus on creating a good user experience and adding real value. Original research, insightful analysis, and quality content play a big part in SEO. Search engine marketing, SEM. Search engine marketing includes SEO techniques as well as paid search engine advertising. Frequently used services for SEM include Google AdWords and Bing Ads. SEM is an effective method to display your ad to your target audience only. SEM is synonymous with PPC or a pay-per-click business model. The cost per click varies depending on the competition. When set up correctly, paid advertising can result in an extremely high return on investment (ROI) for companies. By only targeting relevant keywords, digital marketing professionals can be laser focused on their target users. PPC campaigns can be activated and deactivated at the click of a button. This makes them very dynamic. You can use trial and error to quickly learn which keywords, ads, and landing pages work best. You can easily pause underperforming campaigns that don't convert to sales. Now, I have a question for you. Which strategy from this video are you going to implement first? Leave a comment under the video and let me know. So, all the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you learn digital marketing even if you are a beginner. If you want more help with internet marketing with step-by-step training with industry experts to learn and understand digital marketing, go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. Trust me, it will change your online marketing life like nothing else. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video now and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.